July 20th, 2009. We've been spraying pretty good this morning since on or slightly before 9 o'clock. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. And some planes are spraying a really thick, heavy spray. Some are spraying light. Some are spraying long, huge trails. Some are doing shorter bursts. It's just amazing. It doesn't matter which direction the plane comes from, they'll turn it on and spray. So it has nothing to do with the atmosphere or a contrail or whatever people are trying to say it is. As I watch this stuff and I can see it right now, and it's on videotape. You can see this particular airplane shooting out a very, very thick, heavy chemical spray. I mean, that's probably one of the thickest I've seen in a while. And he turned it on, just turned it on over the horizon towards the east, kind of northeast direction is where he came from, kind of. But he's got a really thick, heavy spray. And as you can see, they fly back and forth across the main big cloud they're making. See, what he's flying over right now, that the cloud under him is from the other planes. So he's really, really, really spraying thick. Trying to hold it steady as possible. But this is a good footage of one spraying. I mean, that's a thick spray. Look at that, shooting it out. July 20th, 2009, getting it on film. Flying pretty low.